Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 16th, 2021. We are going to talk about Meta platforms, formerly known as Facebook. I'm going to show you all the reason why Meta is still a buy in the stock market. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, I am going to give you all what I am noticing on the price chart as to why I'm looking for the continuation of upward movement of Meta platforms. You guys appreciate my videos, my price prediction, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel because this is what I do. I want you all to see this, right? You're not going to get this anywhere else of how easy it is to predict prices in the stock market. I mean, everyone else around on YouTube tell you that the market is manipulated, but yet and still, they still lose. If the market is manipulated, then that means that it is being pushed in someone's favor, which means that you should be able to tell what they're trying to do. That should benefit us, right? It should give us the advantage as well. So once you pull back all of the noise, all of the confusion that so many other people got you all realizing, you get to see how the market is manipulating. You can actually participate right alongside with them. Let me show you all this with Meta real quick. You guys can see it, right? I did a price prediction in the market for Meta platforms, and I was telling you all then, I was looking for the price to go up, right? Yeah, I was. November the 14th was the last time I did the video. You can go back and listen and see what was said. And you guys can see what the price has done now. Now check this out. Where did I tell you that I was looking for us to expect the price in Meta to continue to go up as long as the price did not break to the downside? You see that? Come on, you guys cannot tell me you do not understand this information. The answers are already being garnered from the market. It gives us what we need to know. It is just everyone else that is confusing you. The market came and bounced exactly where we said the market support needs to be maintained. Exactly. So when the market was pursuing lower prices after we did our video, right? After we saw this price in Meta go down, a lot of people have been scared. They would have been nervous. They'd have been worried. Oh no, the market is going down. But we wasn't. Because I was telling you all that, yeah, we can see the price in Meta come down to 300. But as long as we don't break it to the downside and we start seeing price go back up, we're good. That is the indicator right there that we needed to know. The market in Meta came and bounced off $300. So now we are literally about to break even from where we started back on November the 14th. Now, considering that has happened though, I mean, honestly, do you really think the market in Meta is going to go down? Or do you think we're going to continue to see higher prices? Let's try to figure that out too. Okay, now, let's do this. Okay, let me extend out So I went ahead and extended out these two, the graph, the price prediction, as well as this horizontal line, because I'm still going to be bullish. I'm still going to look for the price in Meta to go up as long as we see the price hold $300. Yep. Simple, right? So now let's see this on a different time frame though. All right, so let's start this off on the 3-day, right? So I want you all to see this. This is the current 3-day price bar. Doesn't look pretty much the same as this one. And you guys can see from the reaction of what occurred on this particular 3-day price bar. We started on December the 2nd. We're getting it again on this current one. Now we got a day and 8 hours left though. But how it looks right now, it kind of makes us think that, yeah, we can see price go back up to around $350, maybe $350. We did it twice back in November. So it looked like we're going to get another opportunity to get that 350. Okay. All right, let's try to check this out on a different time frame. Look at this on 5-day. This is the market and Facebook on the 5-day. The market here is still strong, right? I mean, we're still getting the same type of price bar that we got on the 3-day time frame. We're seeing it on the 5-day. The answers are already here on the chart. So the strength here into the market in Facebook, well, excuse me, in Meta still looks pretty strong. All right. This is it on the weekly. We got a day and 8 hours left, but currently the market strength is still apparent. I mean, when you think of it from the week of November 29th and then the week of December the 6th, going into this current week, there is definitely strength here in the market. Let's look at this on the 2 weeks. I really like this 2 week time frame, especially in the next day and 8 hours. If we are able to have Meta close at the high of this 2 week price bar, yeah, 360 is the next spot for us to try to nibble off the market in Meta, okay, in the next 2 weeks. Look at this on the 3 weeks. It's even the same thing. Okay, you guys can kind of tell that you just switch over in the time frames, you get the same type of ideas to what the market is trying to do. It's the monthly. Now, if today was the last day of the month for December, this is massively bullish right now. Massively bullish. But again, we still got a little time left on the clock to allow this market to move before this monthly price bar concludes. So let's not be too reliant upon it right now, but how it looks right now, this is massively bullish for Meta. All right. So overall, I mean, what do you all see? Have I shown you any indications that this market in Meta is weak? No, I mean, we just did a quick look across these multiple time frames, and you guys can clearly tell that the buyers are trying to dominate this market. The market is telling us, right? You guys remember what I said earlier in the video about everyone thinks that the price is being manipulated. Well, okay, if that's the case, we can see that they're trying to manipulate it to higher prices. I have shown you all that on multiple time frames. So why is there any confusion? Why do people lose into the market? It's because they're using technical indicators. It's because they're trying to use fundamental analysis, and the market doesn't move off those things, right? It's manipulated. So you need to see where you can kind of gauge where that manipulation means or where it's trying to go. I have shown you all that. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. I'm going to keep it exactly the same. I'm still looking for price and Meta to go up. Now, should you nibble off around 350? I mean, that's cool. Because if we were to do that, it's around 2.82%. If we were to get that 360, it's 5.5, right? So we got 250, 350, 360, all the way back up to around $380, right? Now I'm still looking for this from a long-term perspective, meaning for us to hit 380, yeah, you got to give them maybe a month or so, 3 months time frame for us to see this price in Meta go up. When I say long-term, that's what I mean. I don't mean the next 5,000 years, right? I know a lot of people on YouTube is trying to get you to hold these stocks for 5,000 years. Yeah, you can for some markets, but not all, right? So you guys got what I've seen, what I've said. Real quick, I have given you the buy trigger indicator, what have shown us that the buyers are still controlling the market. You guys saw that on this video. So now it's your turn. It wasn't hard, was it? No, not at all. It wasn't complicated, was it? No, not at all. You guys can do this for yourself. One day you'll understand. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.